Swish Breath Spray. Effective kaya ito para sa mga na-expose sa COVID-19? Kasi it kills bacteria in just 10 seconds inside your mouth in just one spray. Parang ganon. Presenting to you, Swish Breath Spray na pwedeng panlaban sa mga na-expose sa COVID-19. Especially if you're going outdoors, nandoon ka sa jeep, sa taxi, sa market. Tapos, bigla kang na-expose sa mga kung ano-anong germs na airborne. So, that's why in this vlog, we are going to discuss itong Swish Breath Spray na kasintulad din ng gargle. Kaya naman, maliit siya, small but terrible, but effective against COVID-19. Kasi nga, ang tinatarget nito is not only bacteria, but also mga ibang pathogens such as fungi, yung mga parasites, tapos pati na rin ang mga virus. Kaya Swish Breath Spray Peppermint Fresh na nagpapabango sa inyong breath. So, titignan natin kung effective nga ba ito at itetest natin kung ano nga ba yung flavor niya. Tapos, pagdating naman sa price, you can avail this product online sa Shopee or Lazada, or kung mas gusto mo sa mga botika or pharmacy near you, meron din siya sa Mercury Drug, sa Watsons, and sa mga iba pang mga pharmacy na malapit sa inyo. Tapos, ang price nito is 105 pesos. Ayan, 105 pesos. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo dyan. 105 pesos ang isang ganito. So, one bottle, small bottle, contains 100 sprays. So, if ever na pupunta ka sa labas, lagi kang lumalabas, dapat lagi mong ini-spray yung breath mo. Kasi nga, hindi mo alam kung sino ang kinakasalamuha mo. Mahirap magkasakit, mahal magkasakit, tapos nakakapaghina kapag may sakit ka. That's why, yan, presenting to you, Swish Breath Spray na kasing tulad ng gargle kapag nag-brush ka after brushing. So, if you flip natin this camera para makita natin yung mga ingredients ng product na ito para mas maintindihan natin kung bakit siya effective against COVID-19. So, dito, this is the closer look of Swish Breath Spray. And makikita natin dito, Swish Breath Spray freshens your breath in just 10 seconds by quickly killing bacteria in the mouth to help eliminate bad breath caused by eating, drinking, smoking, and being exposed to airborne na mga pathogens. It is very convenient to use anytime and anywhere for a quick breath. It is absolutely alcohol-free. Ayan, tapos directions niya, just spray 1 to 2 pumps into your mouth. Ayan, for a fresher breath instantly. Tapos meron siyang warning dito. Avoid spraying into eyes if contact occurs. Flush with water if irritation persists. Call a doctor and keep out of reach of children kasi pwede nilang ma-choke or pagluruan nila itong product na ito. And then store below 30 degrees Celsius kasi nga mawawalan ng potency ang product na ito kapag masyadong mainit. So here are the ingredients. So water, PEG 40, hydrogenated castor oil, glycerine, mint flavor, sodium benzoate, cetylpyridinum chloride, citric acid. So, meron din pala siyang vitamin C, sodium saccharin, xylitol, menthol. Ayan. And then, manufactured in the Philippines for UL Skin Sciences Incorporated, number 132 Pioneer Street, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So, ganyan ang overall look niya. And then, we are going to flip it. So, ganyan. Swish Breath Spray Peppermint Spray. Peppermint Fresh. Instant fresh breath in 10 seconds. Lasts up to 100 sprays. So, alcohol-free. Wala pong siyang sugar. Wala din siyang alcohol. So, it looks like that. Swish yung bottle niya and napaka-convenient to use kasi pwede mo siyang ibulsa sa inyong bulsa sa pantalon. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa bag and you can pwede mo din siyang ilagay sa inyong mga pouch. So, ganyan ang itsura niya and very convenient. So, sulit na sulit yung 105 pesos from Watsons. So, So Watsons ko po siya nabili and I am very happy with this product. So dalawa yung binili ko pero naubos na siya, and here comes the other one para i-vlog ko and present to you para maging fresh ang breath mo and bacteria or virus free ang inyong bunganga. It's about time for us to explore this product. So ayan, Swish Breath Spray Peppermint Fresh. I-open na natin siya and i-unpack natin. So, ang gagawin natin is aalisin natin yung plastic from this paper. Naka-seal siya. Makikita nyo meron siyang seal dyan na bilog. Ayan, yan yung parang scotch tape niya. Sealed for your protection and to prevent product wastage. Ayan, or product spoilage, kasi nga kapag nagamit na siya na before mo nabili, syempre, it is a risk baka yung quality ng product pag nagamit na, mabilis siyang mag-expire. So, it's like this and ganyan. So, pwede mo na siyang alisin yung product na ito. Okay, so here it is. Alisin natin yung box, yung paper, yung cartolina, I should say. So, it's like this. Ayan. And then, we have here, it's, pasensya na guys, it's getting dark. So, medyo ganito yung clarity ng video. But, anyway, ihahabol natin itong vlog para sa ekonomiya natin. And here it is, itong Swish. So, makikita natin it's small. So, if you're going to compare it with your palm, ganito ang size niya. Super liit. Pwede siyang ilagay sa bulsa ng pantalon mo, bulsa ng inyong jacket, bulsa ng iyong bag, or doon sa loob ng inyong pouch. Kaya naman, it's time for us to demonstrate this product and let's test kung okay nga ba siya. So, ayan, let's open as in ang dali niyang gamitin, and then let us first smell this product. Ayun, may smell mo talaga yung kanyang freshness by the presence of the minty aroma. So, yun, medyo minty siya, and we are now going to test it in our mouth. So, yung unang spray niya, ito-test natin sa mouth natin. So, preparation, and then let's open our mouth, and then like this. So, wala pa, kasi hindi pa siya nalagyan. So, isa pa, wala pa. Ready, get set, go. Ayan, so it is minty. Parang feeling mo nag-gargle ka talaga. Ganun yung effect. You can use once, twice, or thrice a day. And let's try again one more time kasi mas malakas yung spray niya. Ito na yung talagang pinakaunang spray. Ayan, may pasta ako dyan. So, okay, so it's time to spray. Para kang nag-toothbrush. Tapos, kapag okay siya, kapag may sore throat ka, because it targets directly sa inyong throat. And since yung spray can directly enter your larynx and pharynx, pwede siyang maging meron siyang soothing effect. Soothing effect siya sa throat nyo, and if meron kang konting mga infections sa throat mo, dala ng pagkakaroon ng bad breath, so tinitreat niya para at least mababawasan yung inyong sore throat, yung inflammation, tapos yung nagkakos ng bad breath sa inyong breath. O, diba? So, yes, recommended sa lahat po, 14 years old and above, so that you will have the chance to cleanse your mouth. So, kapag nag-i-spray ka kasi ng isa, it can easily kill bacteria. Tapos, it can help you prevent being at risk from being exposed to COVID-19 infection. Kasi alam naman natin na kapag na-infect ka ng COVID, mahirap talagang i-treat yan, lalo na kapag immunocompromised ka. What is immunocompromised? If you have an existing disease na kung saan mababa yung immune system mo. Like kapag may chronic diseases ka, nagpapadialysis ka, meron kang diabetes, meron kang hypertension, or talagang mababa yung immune system response mo sa mga defense mechanism against yung mga virus. So, yes, Swish is effective for me as a medical frontliner. Effective din to, lalo-lalo lang kapag lagi kang nakikipag-communicate sa mga tao and you're exposed sa mga patients with COVID-19. Importante siya para at least kahit somehow nasusus niya yung sore throat mo and freshens your breath. So, ano nga ba ang verdict natin sa product na ito? For me, my verdict for this product is 10 over 10. So, it is a perfect score. Why? Because it is beneficial, small but super beneficial sa ating health. And if you're going to buy one, hindi naman mahal yung 105 pesos para so divide mo kahit once a day, tapos 105, you can consume this product in just 3 months kung tinitipid mo yung kanyang content. So this is as good as 3 months if you're going to use it once a day. 3 months plus 10 days. Ayun, kasi nga 'di ba 90 days equivalent to 3 months. Kaya pwede mo siyang maubos in 3 months and 10 days. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo itong vlog ko about Swish Breath Spray for sore throat and fresher breath against COVID-19 infection, ayan, mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Tapos, if you want other products for me to review, just comment down below kung ano yung mga iba pang products na gusto nyo i-review ko. Tapos, reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, that will be all, guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day.